Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to sew very simple and beautiful dress. I'm using plain George for this tutorial. I will use this Ankara to make pocket on the front of the dress. I will leave the video of this one I'm putting on in the description box. You can go and check it out, how to sew wrapping dress. I'm using plain George. The length is 36 inches. I'm going to use 2 yards and 15 inches. This is 1 yard. Two yards and 15 inches. I'm using 2 yards and 15 inches for this dress, and the length is 36 inches. I will fold into two. I have 43.5 inches remaining after folding into two. I will fold again. I have into 4. I will cut the shoulder and the sleeve together. I use 16 inches on shoulder, divided by 2 is 8 inches. This is 8 inches. I will use the remaining one as the sleeve, this place. I use 16 inches, divided by 2 is 8 inches, which is this place where I mark. I will use this place as the sleeve. I have 18 inches. 18 inches. Then I measure here 9.5 inches. This the round sleeve. This place is the round sleeve. I will measure bust here. Bust is 48 inches, divided by 4 is 12 inches. I will add 2 inches to sew. Half length is 17 inches. Waist is 44 inches. 44 divided by 4 is 11 inches. And I will add 2 inches to sew. Hip is 58 inches. Divided by 4 is 14 inches. Then I will add 2 inches to sew. Bottom is 48 inches. Divided by 4 is 12 inches plus sewing allowance. Mark here. I will cut here before I cut neckline. Neckline is 3 inches, and I will cut back with ½ inch. I fold into two to cut the front neck. place my tape on top here. I measure down 4 inches. Then I'll mark straight down this way. Then from where I mark here down, I measure 2.5 inches. I'll cut here. Then I'll cut here just like this. You have to cut the way it will through your head because there's no zip or button on the back. Otherwise, you can sew button on the back if you want smaller neck. To sew button on the back, you can cut 3 to 4 inches if you are cutting a smaller neck. I'm not going to add zip or button on the back. That is why I cut from up here down 4 inches before I cut here open. So this is the neck I have. The pocket on the front, I have this one. (15.5 inches by 15.5 inches. I fold into 2. Then I will measure from up. I measure 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches. From here, I will measure 5 inches. This is 5 inches. I will mark this way, just like I will cut here. I will sew here. I will fold like this and sew here. I will do the same on this side and sew here. I will use this one to turn the neck. I fold into 2. I will place this one on top to cut. I will place on top. I will sew here. This place I will hem with just like this. I will hem this one in the second sleeve. I'm done sewing. I will notch. And I hem the sleeve and the pockets. I will bring this one to the right side. I'll bring this way. I hold with pin. I will sew on the edge, very close to the edge, like that. And I will sew pockets. I will fold into 2 iron to get the center. This shoulder, I will measure from shoulder 16.5 inches. This is the center and this is the waist. This is the center and this is where I measure from shoulder down here. I will iron to get the center of this pocket. I will place on top this center to center, this place. I will hold with pin. I will sew here. I will leave this 2 sides open. I will fold inside. I will sew here and I will fold here inside and sew on here. I will leave this place open and this place open. I will sew here, this place, then I will sew this place. The neck, I will join the 2 sides. There's the back. I will measure from up here down 9 inches and sew down. I will do the same here and sew down. After sewing, I will hem the bottom. This is the finished sewing, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. As always, share this video to everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next